Hi friends, in our previous tutorial we installed Android Studio on Windows 10 laptop. In this tutorial we will start creating our first project in Android Studio. So after installing Android Studio, just click on the search bar, search for Android Studio. Here you can observe Android Studio, just click on it. Android Studio will open. It will take a few seconds to open. Now Android Studio is started, so wait for few seconds. If you are opening Android Studio for the first time, you can get a screen like this. Here we have options to start a new project and to open existing project in our PC. So in this tutorial, we will start our first project. If you have any existing projects in your PC, just click on this open existing Android Studio project. It will open window like this to browse a project. In this tutorial, we will create a project. So click on this start new Android Studio project. After clicking on start new Android Studio project, here we need to select a template. These templates will give you default code in your project. For example, if I select empty activity, I will get just a hello world text in my default code. For example, if we select any code from here, we will get the respective default code in our project. Now we will select empty activity. Here you can observe for different types of devices. So this is for phone and tablet. Here for wearing. Wear OS means watches and all. And here TV and automotive Android things. So in this project we will start creating project for mobile phones and tablets. So select phone and tablet and select empty activity. Click on next. In the name section, here we need to enter our project name. Project name is nothing but our app name. I am entering my first app. Okay. So or else we will give hello world. Hello world. Here below we have package name. Package name is a unique name to identify, specify our app. Generally, package name is in domain format. We need to enter, for example, we have a domain like time to learn.com, but we need to enter from right side to left side like com.time to learn. So we need to enter com.time to learn. Like this, we need to enter our package name. The package name is up to our app level. Next one, save location. You can save a project wherever you want. Then language. So make sure that you selected a Java. So minimum SDK API level. So this the API level is nothing but Android version. We need to select a suitable Android version for our app. So my suggestion is to select Android app to run in most devices. For example, if I select API level 19 or 20 KitKat where, so you can observe that your app will run on approximately 94.1% of devices. This much percentage of devices can run our app. After that, click on finish. Now my project is loading. Here you can observe scanning file. Here we have tips of the day. If you want daily, you can check this box. If you don't want, uncheck this, then close. Now make it as full screen. So Here you can observe that Gradle is building. So after finishing Gradle building, our project is ready to write our code into project. To build a Gradle, we need internet. Make sure that you have internet. If you don't have internet, click on this Gradle. Then you can observe here one option, offline mode. You can check this. So I have internet. I'm going with internet. So wait for a few minutes to finish your Gradle. So Gradle configuration process all are building. So now our project is indexing. So it will be ready within few seconds. Now you can observe that after building Gradle, these all are in proper structure. Now our project creation is completed. So this is the XML file and this is the main activity.java. This is the Java file. The XML file waiting for building to finish. So in our next tutorial, we will discuss each and every window in Android Studio. Thank you for watching.